Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. In this video I will discuss some important questions to prepare CISSP and CISM examinations. After watching this video along with the entire series, in my playlist I am confident that you will surely pass the said exams. Please subscribe and share my channel to motivate me to bring up more such contents on CISSP and CISM exams. Question 1. Max has implemented a firewall that monitors the communication status between two systems, enabling a remote system to reply to a local system only once the local system initiates communication. What kind of firewall has Max deployed? 1. A firewall for static packet filtering. 2. A firewall for application-level gateway. 3. A firewall for stateful packet inspection. 4. A firewall for circuit-level gateway. Please pause the video and answer, and then check with me if you are correct or not. Hope you paused the video and noted the answer. The correct option is option 3 above with below explanation. Explanation. Stateful packet inspection firewalls, also recognized as dynamic packet filtering firewalls, oversee the progress of a conversation and allow a response from a remote system on the basis of the internal system being permitted to initiate communication. Static packet filtering and circuit-level gateways solely filter traffic based on source, destination, and ports, while application-level gateway firewalls act as proxies for specific applications. Question 2. An announcement is made about a zero-day vulnerability affecting the widely used Apache web server during a regular workday. In his capacity as an information security analyst, Tom is tasked with swiftly scanning his network to identify the servers vulnerable to this issue. What is the most efficient approach for Tom to promptly pinpoint these vulnerable systems? 1. Promptly execute Nessus on all servers to identify the vulnerable systems. 2. Examine the CVE database for vulnerability and patch details. 3. Develop a custom IDs or IPS signature. 4. Determine the affected versions and utilize an automated scanner to check systems for that version number. Please pause the video and answer, and then check with me if you are correct or not. Hope you paused the video and noted the answer. The correct option is option 4 above with below explanation. Explanation. In many instances, when an exploit is initially disclosed, pre-built signatures or detections for vulnerability scanners might not be available, and the CVE database may not immediately provide information about the attack. Tom's optimal course of action is to swiftly collect data and examine potentially vulnerable servers based on their current configurations. As more information becomes accessible, signatures and CVE data are expected to be released. Unfortunately for Tom, IDs and IPS signatures solely detect attacks and do not detect system vulnerabilities unless he observes the systems being exploited. Question 3. Anna recently integrated an intrusion prevention system that is specifically designed to obstruct common network attacks from impacting his organization. What category of risk management strategy is Anna implementing? 1. Risk acceptance. 2. Risk avoidance. 3. Risk mitigation. 4. Risk transference. Please pause the video and answer, and then check with me if you are correct or not. Hope you paused the video and noted the answer. The correct option is option 3 above with below explanation. Explanation. Risk mitigation strategies aim to diminish the likelihood and/or consequences of a risk occurring. Intrusion prevention systems strive to reduce the probability of a successful attack and therefore exemplify risk mitigation. Risk acceptance entails consciously deciding to embrace a risk as it is without taking any further action. Risk avoidance involves altering business operations to render a risk irrelevant. Risk transfer involves shifting the expenses of a risk to another entity, such as an insurance company. Question 4. Among the following change management processes, which one is activated by users instead of developers? 1. Request for change. 2. Change control. 3. Release management. 4. Design evaluation. Please pause the video and answer, and then check with me if you are correct or not. Hope you paused the video and noted the answer. The correct option is option 1 above with below explanation. Explanation. The process of requesting starts with a user-initiated plea for a feature. Change and release control are instigated by developers aiming to effect changes. Design evaluation is a stage of the change approval process activated by developers upon completing a design. Question 5. Harris Company has recently decommissioned its set of multifunction printers. The information security team has raised apprehensions regarding the presence of hard drives in these printers, potentially retaining data from previous scans and print jobs. What is the precise technical term denoting this predicament? 1. Data aggregation. 2. Clearance failure. 3. Data durability. 4. Data remanence. Please pause the video and answer, and then check with me if you are correct or not. Hope you paused the video and noted the answer. The correct option is option 4 above with below explanation. Explanation. Data remanence characterize data that persists on media even after an attempt has been made to erase it. Clearance failure and data aggregation are not technical terms, and data durability refers to the longevity of data. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share my channel to motivate me to bring up more such contents on CISSP and CISM exams.